Just like we have all know, 2025 is about coming to an end. And of course, I look back into the year 2025 and I try to check out the strategies that actually work out for us on this particular platform. And of course, I realized that this particular strategy called the trend trading strategy actually worked well for each and every one of us within this platform, and I'm really happy we are able to achieve a lot with this. Okay, I'm really happy we are able to achieve a lot with this, and that is why I also built an indicator around it in order for it to be very easy for us to analyze better. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you're here and you are here to find your way around this, okay, I need you to watch this video to the end so that you will understand what the trend trading strategy is all about and how you too can also put it into use so that you can still make something meaningful for yourself before the end of this year. Okay, today happened to be 24 of December. Okay, and of course, you still have about 6 or 7 days before this year, 2025, will come to an end, and you can still make something meaningful for yourself if you apply this same strategy, if you follow the rules and regulation, and of course, you will get something out of it. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you're getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question, kindly drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I have said, the trend trading strategy is actually the best strategy that actually worked for me and my community in this year, and I'm really happy that we're able to achieve this together. Okay, so you too can also um, achieve something tangible with this if you follow the rules and regulations. So we're going to see how it works, and of course we're going to see what we going to get out of it. And of course, we also see how the custom made indicator can help us analyze better. And we'll be doing this on real charts instead of just talking, okay, so that we will know what the chart is also giving to us and how we can be of good benefit, and how all this can be of good benefits to us. Okay, now let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, I'm on 15-minute time frame. This is GainX 1200. Right from here, this happened to be a support region. It was unable to break out from there. It was on downtrend before, was unable to break out from there. So it switched from a downtrend to an uptrend. That is why you see the red color switching into a yellow color. Okay, and the yellow color signifies an uptrend and the red color signifies a downtrend. Okay, that is what my indicator will do for you. So right from there, it started buying and it bought till it got to this resistance zone, and of course it was unable to break out from there, so it switched back from this uptrend color to the downtrend color and sold for a while. But right from here you can see the market playing around here, okay, giving us a sideways movement. Okay, that this kind of trend always signifies that something is about to happen. Okay, so there is a fight between this resistance region and the support region. That was what was happening around there. Okay, so if it should break out below it, it's going to sell more. If it should break out above it, it's going to buy more. But this time around, as you can see, it broke out above it, and that is why it switched back into a yellow color. And of course, it started buying and even broke out from the last resistance zone and bought till it got to this resistance zone. It has gotten to this resistance zone right now. It has not been able to break out from there, and that is why you see it switching into a downtrend. But something is happening right now. Something is happening right now, and we're going to discuss this together because this is live chat, and of course, whatever information I'm dishing out here can be very useful for you today in your trading activities. If you should notice, this switch from an uptrend to a downtrend and gave us a sell signal, which is cool. This sold till it got to this region, and of course, pull back, went back down again, pull back, went back down again. This has been happening over and over. Okay, so based on that, it makes me think of, okay, what is happening around here? How do we solve issues like this? Okay, personally, I expect this to either break out above this resistance zone or switch to a downtrend and sell more. And as you can see, it was unable to break above the resistance zone and it switched into a downtrend. And of course, I expect it to sell more. Even if there will be pullback, at least it should move more in terms of downtrend than an uptrend. But if you should notice, this is not moving forward. It is pulling back at almost the same spot. Okay, so what is happening around there? It means something huge is actually happening around there, and we have some free milking to do around here in the market. So what should you do? Okay, so what you need to do to solve that issue, most especially if you are in the market, just keep your cool and of course draw this trend line. Okay, you draw this trend line from this support region. Make sure it's touching this part and of course draw it up. Okay, so what we are trying to see is there is a support trend line around here. Okay, that is forcing this market backward. Okay, so we want to see if it can break out from there. So this will be moving towards this any moment from now. And of course, if it should break out from here fully, definitely it means that this is still going to sell more and may likely get to this particular spot if it sells. Okay, so but we need it to break out from here first. Okay, if it does not, then we might not get this selling opportunity. Of course, and of course, guys, if it should go back and break out above this resistance zone, then definitely we are still going to experience more buying opportunity because this is finding it difficult to go fully into a downtrend. Okay, so anything can happen. It can still break out above this resistance zone, but if it does not, then definitely it will break out below this and give us more selling opportunity. If you're already in the market, make sure you still have your stop loss on, and of course you should be in profit right now. You can close your trade if you want to close your trade and wait for this breakout, and you can decide to adjust your stop loss to lock up some part of your profit while you see if it can actually break out from here. So we need it to break out from here. We usually have situations like this, and when it happens, then you need to wait for the right movement before you continue with the trading activities. Okay, this is GainX 1200, and that is the benefit of you understanding the trend trading strategy. Already we are expecting it to switch from an uptrend into a downtrend, which is what is happening at the moment. But there is something pushing it backward at this point. Okay, you can see that every analysis has been narrowed down for us right from here. Okay, because we have a good trading tool that is telling us when the market is switching from one trend to another and when we should go into the trade and when we should exit the trade. Okay, so the only little thing which we just need to focus on are movements like this. When we have movements like this, then we should know that okay, there are some things happening around here that we cannot see physically, but we can always draw trend lines to support our analysis in order for us to know what is actually happening. Of course, if you had come in when you are supposed to come in, when we had this signal, if you had come in here around here, okay, and set your stop loss at this point, then you should be in profit right now. So you should be able to close your trade if you want to, or probably you adjust the stop loss to the middle and of course to lock up some part of your profit for yourself. Okay, so it actually depends on you. Now let's move on. Let's check out GainX 999. Like I said, I'm not just going to explain how the trend trading strategy works alone. I'm going to use real charts to explain to you so that you too can also go back to your chart and see if it is working or not. Okay, so this was actually on downtrend right from this resistance, and you can see the red colored bar, and of course give us so many sell signals that we can use to enter the trades. And of course this came to an end at this support zone, switch from a downtrend into an uptrend, and it got till it got to this region, and of course was unable to go above this resistance zone, so it switched over to a downtrend and it sold again. Okay, and of course the support zone is still there because if you should notice, immediately it got here, it pulled back again and tried it out again. Okay, before it got back to this region, I had to draw my support trend line. So I drew it from here and I made sure it touched this region and of course drew it across. And immediately this got to the support region, what happened? You can see it pushed up, switched back into an uptrend, and this time around it broke out from this, and this is still buying more. It is going to be targeting this particular spot. Okay, sorry, this particular spot. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Now let's check out Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200. Just the way we have seen this actually went on uptrend from here and got to this region. It was unable to go further. Actually, I was expecting it to even get to this particular spot, but it didn't get there. So it switched back into a downtrend. Things like this happens, more especially within the festive period like this. Okay, so you can see it switched into a downtrend, and this is selling right now. Okay, so now let's move on to Paynex 999. This is Paynex 999. This was an uptrend right from here, and it got to this resistance and switched back into a downtrend, so till it got to this support region and went back up again. And right now it is still buying, okay, until it is unable to break out from here. If it's unable to break out from here, then definitely it will go back on downtrend fully and probably will break out from this region and even give us more selling opportunity right from there. Okay, so you should take note of that. Okay, now let's check out the last asset, which is FX volume 80. FX volume 80 has been on downtrend for a while. Okay, it has gotten to this support region, it has not been able to break out from here, so it started a buying opportunity right from here. At least this should first of all get to this region. Okay, if it should break out from here, then definitely we are in for a good buy. Okay, so we should be targeting here next, and of course this particular spot next, and thereafter this particular spot. Okay, so this is a very good buying opportunity for us if it should break out from here. So we are checking out this particular section first. If it breaks out from here, then it should be able to achieve all others. But if it does not, then definitely it might be trying, it will definitely try to come back to the support region and see if it can break out below it and continue selling. Okay, so this is very, very important, but I expect more buying opportunity right from there. So because it is trying to switch back into a full uptrend right from there, it has tried it once, got to this region, had a pullback, and of course, I believe it should try it again to break out from here. And if it should break out from here, then it's going to buy more. Okay, so guys, these are all that we have for you today. I hope you've learned one or two things from today's video training. And of course, guys, if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. And you can drop your question for me in the comment section, and probably you can reach out to me via WhatsApp. And do not forget to join the Telegram channel too, because there will be free signals for you guys within the Telegram channel. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.